Okay, this is in a 2015 Chevy Silverado. What we end up doing is installing the factory shock sensor to the factory alarm. Okay, the way it works is you're going to hit lock, locks your doors, and then basically if somebody bangs on the window, see, from factory it doesn't come with any type of sensor. So in other words, the only thing it comes with, it's if you open the door and that's it. So by incorporating the shock sensor to it, he doesn't have to carry another remote control since he has the remote start and everything. So basically, if anybody walks up and they bang on the glass, I will trip the factory alarm. Shut it off, just hit unlock. So yeah, this is the shock sensor add-on for the folks that have the nice key fob with the built-in remote start and you don't want to carry an extra remote control aftermarket alarm. This is the shock sensor add-on here in Fort Lauderdale. The numbers are 305-298-4814. This is Auto Alarm Specialist, and yes, we do have free mobile service. Thank you for watching this video.